Yes, don't join my live class. I might be sounding rude, but I'm sorry. Let me show you something. This is one of the emails I got from my students. There are so many emails I got, since the day I launched my 8-week live program. But some of them I find, a little bit concerning. See, he's saying, "Sir, I watched all your courses since 6-7 months, but I'm unable to make my own project. Will this live class help me get job fast? Because I already spent so much time." Okay, so I don't have any problem with this email or the person who sent this email, but two words, looks concerning for me. One is this: I watched. What do you mean by watched? These courses which I make, or there are thousands of instructors on YouTube or Udemy or on the internet. They are making courses of 10 hours, 20 hours, 30 hours, whatever it is. They are not movie, or they are not the web series that you can watch. If you want to become a developer, don't watch. You just cannot be a developer if you watch the videos, right? So that's one thing. Okay. And the other thing is this: will this live class help me get job fast? What is fast? There is nothing like fast. Okay, so if you watch the videos, like 10 hours course in 2x, and you finish it, and you expect to become a developer, there's no way. Okay, and I'll show you one more email. Let me just open it. So I have actually taken a screenshot, and I just blurred it. You see this? I just I don't want to show the name. So this email is saying, just hi Ratan, I have Django backend developer interview on 10 November, Monday afternoon. If I join your live class, will you help me clear the interview? Okay. See, he has the interview on Monday, 10 November. Our class, our live class is going to start on 8 November. Okay, so he want to become an engineer. He want to clear the, he want to clear the backend developer, or especially it is a Django backend developer, interview, which is on Monday afternoon. So this question is very difficult for me. I definitely cannot make him a developer in just 2 days. I don't know what misconception he has, but the thing is, you cannot be a developer in just 2-3 days, 5 days, 1 week, and after watching 2-3 videos, the whole courses in 2x speed. No. If you also, or anybody who is expecting to become a developer just by watching the videos, or you want to become a developer in just 2-3 days, this live program is not for you, because when creating this live program, I made a proper plan. I need serious learners, because in this 8-week live program, you're not only making the payment, you're also making the promise to yourself. That's why in the checkout page itself, I put this note that, uh, please make a promise to yourself. If you can make one of these promises, then definitely this live class is for you. I'll just make sure that you become a backend developer in next 2 months or 8 weeks. Okay, so do I mean you only learn 8 weeks? I mean 8 weekends? No. So the classes will be Saturday and Sunday. Okay, the classes will be Saturday and Sunday, 2 months, but there will be weekdays, right? Every week I'll give you the assignments. Okay, so not this multiple choice assignments. I'll give you the actual developer kind of assignments, but you have to make sure you submit the assignments on time. If you don't submit the assignment on time, then we have our class dashboard, where it will show you your assignment is overdue, so which will push you to learn, especially. Okay, so that's what the goal of this program. And you'll also get the marks depending on the logic that you make, and also the on time submission will definitely give you more marks. So that's one of the things that will push you to work hard. All right. And by any chance, if you miss the live class, you will get the recording of that class right inside your live class dashboard only in the techwithratan.com. You can watch the videos anytime you wish. Okay. But you have to make sure that you finish the assignments on time so that, your profile doesn't show you overdue or past due warning. And if you want to see the curriculum, you can simply go here to the live classes page, and here you can download the curriculum. Okay, simply download the curriculum, and this PDF will be downloaded. Okay. So the point of this video was just to let you know that becoming a developer is not at all easy. So it needs your time, it needs your patience, and it needs your consistency. Okay, so remaining thing I'll take care in the live class only. I'll just make sure that you have that consistency throughout the program. So there's only a few days left to start the class. If you're serious about becoming a software developer or the backend developer, this program is for you. Just go to techwithratan.com, make a promise to yourself, and enroll in the live program. I'll see you inside the class.